Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a beautiful butterfly free motion embroidery project. First, let's iron the fabric scraps onto the glue side of the iron-on adhesive paper, little by little. Make sure your iron doesn't touch the glue paper directly. I find this step even more fun than it looks in the video. If you love the color of your fabric scraps, keep them no matter how small. They'll shine just like today. Look, we're creating a brand new colorful fabric. Use a piece of baking paper to cover our new fabric and give it a good press. Cut off any unbonded fabric. Let's prepare the butterfly patterns we'll be using today. For a quicker cut, fold the paper along the center line to save time when cutting. Trace the butterfly design onto the fabric. Now let's cut the butterfly out. Cut a small strip of bonded fabric to use as the butterfly's body. Peel off the backing paper and iron the butterfly onto felt if you want to make a butterfly charm. You can also iron it onto other items, like purses, bags, or clothes. Use free motion embroidery with any color thread you like to sew random lines on the butterfly. You don't need to be very neat. The charm of free motion embroidery lies in its imperfections. Add 2 pieces of packing wire to give the butterfly some shape. Add another layer of felt underneath. If you want to hang it, place a folded ribbon between the 2 layers of felt. Keep the head area unsewn to add an antennae later. Cut off any excess felt. We can adjust the shape thanks to the garden wire we inserted earlier. Add a 14 centimeter, 5.5 inch metal wire for the butterfly's antennae. Insert it between the 2 layers of felt. Hand sew it in place. Adjust the antennae however you like. Here are our cute butterflies. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed making these adorable butterflies with me.